and we are in Bharat Mobility Auto Expo at Bharat Mandapam. We are present in Hall 4. So Gates Belt Drive System is a US-based company. We have more than a centennial of experience in converting chains to belt drive system and giving an amazing driving experience to not just motorcycles or any of the two-wheelers, but be it motorcycles, be it scooters, be it bicycles. We are there everywhere where it moves. Gates Belt Drive System is there in the power transmission system. So we have more than 112 years of experience. We are based here in India in Chennai, Sri Perumbudur. We have a state-of-the-art facility and amazing patented products. Gates has been a pioneer in inventing carbon drive in a dynamic application on the belt side. I have with me my colleagues Devendra, who is an application on the field, and Subhash, who is our lead in the product design. So Devendra and Subhash will tell a little bit more on our products and our new technologies.
Hello guys, so good afternoon all. So beginning with Gates, as Radhika explained the history of the Gates, so I will tell you, we are focusing more on the two-wheeler or the mobility applications, because belt drive is like a very clean, quiet system, so which we can have a better performance, less noise reduction, as well as there will be no need of any applying the lubes, grease, like an environment friendly system we can go on compared to the chain drives. So this belt drive is like a performance product. You can see it ranging in the electric vehicles from as low as 3 kilowatt to 98 kilowatt motor vehicles, and also on ICE vehicles, that is ICE running vehicles, you can have on 350cc, 600, 650cc, all the vehicles you can get it. So that will give you a better smooth ride and you can go cruising for thousands of kilometers.
So we believe in the two-wheel revolution. We believe in the electrifying electric evolution, which the government is very much supporting with a lot of subsidies. So we are here with new technologies. On the belt side, we have a state-of-the-art premium flagship product with polyurethane carbon cord. We also have a new compound and natural and a synthetic rubber compound combination, which will help you not only on the cost but also on the performance. We not only provide belts, we provide you a complete system solution, a complete experience, a value proposition right from the inception, with all the state-of-the-art in-house software tools for FEA, for NVH, for building up the best optimum solution which fits your application. On the police side, we also have a new technology which we call a center track, again one of the Gates patented technologies, which are not only on the bicycle side but also on the motorcycle side. A very sleek, compact solution, and most important of all, it's clean, quiet, it's smooth, it's durable, and it's the best solution you will be forcing in the coming future. So 2025, here we come with our new products, with our new technology, and definitely you will be seeing driving with the belt drive with a wonderful experience and a new experience.